Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install IPVanish on a router. So if you're using a Wi-Fi router or modem device and you need a VPN for that, you can easily do that using IPVanish. Whether you're running a call center or you need regional, let's just say you want to change any regional structure, you can use IPVanish for that. So head over to your products section, and from here you can see we have solutions for pretty much everything. And once you head over to your app section, here we have all of the services available. So the thing that you need to install is this router option. So head over to this from apps and then routers, and then click on VPN router, and you can see you can click on get IPVanish as well, and you can see the visuals for routers as well. So that's how easy it is, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can feel free to let us know in the comments below. See you around in the next video.